Hello, welcome everybody. Uh, Today in this video, I am going to discuss about uh, juvenile justice system and juvenile meaning and child rights in Nepal. This video is fruitful for those students who are interested in the field of law, especially LLB students. They are. Uh, it is very helpful for them to go through this subject matter. In today's this video, I'm going to discuss about juvenile justice system and what sort of rights are given to the children in Nepal and child rights system in Nepal. I'm going to discuss about this scenario in this video, especially under the juvenile justice system, under this child rights in Nepal. There are various topics to be discussed. I have mentioned some topics here. That is Juvenile Justice in Nepal and Juvenile Justice Act, right to juvenile justice as fundamental right, the new constitution of Nepal, and child rights and justice in Nepal, then criminal code, criminal procedural code, and sentencing, determination and execution act 2067. Being based on this topic, I am going to discuss about juvenile justice system. I would like to request all the viewer, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe this channel. That always motivate me to make next video. Now let's begin the topic juvenile justice system. Especially juvenile. Here our concern should be what is juvenile justice system. We should know its meaning first. Juvenile justice system is one of the prime concern for every civilized nation. Although it is a branch of criminal justice system, it demands separate system than the adult justice system. The rationale for dichotomy lies in the age distinction between children and the adult person. However, the question can be raised one who is a child and who is adult. Here, juvenile justice system gives the answer to this question and performs its business for children to provide justice for them. Children justice is a wide concept than juvenile justice. Though the terminological value of children and juvenile is the same, technically, juvenile justice system works for the children in conflict with law, who are children or who are not, is an important matter here. Juvenile, the term juvenile is synonymously used to denote child, childish, babies, immature, young, and adolescent. The Juvenile Justice, Care and Protection of Children Act 2000 of India has defined the term juvenile as a boy who has not attained the age of 16 years or girl who has not attained the age of 18 years. This provision has categorized the age of boy and girl to identify juvenile. Further, it is suitable regarding the age for granting protection according to the social circumstances. The Children Act 2048 has preferred to use the term child instead of juvenile. The Act has defined the term child as every human being below the age of 16 years. Before providing juvenile justice as a fundamental right in the Constitution, the term juvenile has to be defined because many Nepalese laws have not a standard age of juvenile. Here, everyone should get the point that juvenile refers to, especially according to the Children Act 2048, juvenile means the child below 16 years. The justice for the child below 16 years, that comes the juvenile justice system here. Now, juvenile justice in Nepal, juvenile justice act. Let's discuss on this topic. That here is a national and international mechanism is being developed day by day for dispensing proper justice. Justice for juvenile is a part and parcel of the whole justice system. Justice covers wide area. Justice includes distributive justice and corrective justice. In the matter of juvenile, both kinds of justice are required. Many international or regional organizations have been contributing for the juvenile justice by declaring and concluding international treaties, instruments, and standards. Many countries of the globe are incorporating the international standards of juvenile justice in their constitution as well as statutes. Consequently, we can say the concern of children welfare has been strongly accepted at national and international level. In this milieu, the rights to juvenile justice should be guaranteed as fundamental rights of the citizen in constitution of respective country. So far, the perspective of Nepal is concerned here, there is no child right provided by the constitution up to the constitution of Kingdom of Nepal 2047. However, the interim constitution of Nepal 2063 has guaranteed the rights of children. The interim constitution has assured the rights of children, but still there is a lack of juvenile justice as fundamental rights. Here, our concern is the role of Supreme Court of Nepal. The role of judiciary is also important to strengthen the juvenile system. The Supreme Court has decided many cases for the protection of the best interest of the child. The court has ordered to implement the Children's Act properly and issued order to follow the provision of the Act as it is. The Supreme Court decided the children case on the ground of Nepal ratified international human rights convention as well as national law. The Supreme Court of Nepal has been playing positive and constructive role in protecting the right and best interest of the juvenile. The Supreme Court has been playing outstanding role and exercising its ordinary and extraordinary jurisdiction for dispensing justice in cases related with juvenile. However, the right and interest of minor in conflict with law is being dishonored day to day, despite the ruling of Supreme Court. That is the idea. Then next, right to juvenile justice as the fundamental right in new constitution Nepal. Especially here, Lakshmi Prasad Menali has written this article in 2009. This article explains the juvenile justice as fundamental rights and gives complete idea about juvenile and juvenile justice. However, it has not been extended to juvenile delinquency, principle of juvenile justice system, provision of Muluki and institutional bodies of Nepal, even though author raised voices that juvenile justice rights should be included in the new coming constitution as the fundamental right, which is appear at the same time as an exclusively new dimension of juvenile justice system in Nepal. Also, he identified what rights are available to children in present constitution and described a national legal framework precisely. The writer has discussed about this. So here our concern is on child rights and justice in Nepal, especially regarding the child rights and justice in Nepal. Here, Criminal Law Subject Committee 2 has recently published a very comprehensive book about juvenile justice on the collaboration with Central Child Welfare Board. The title of the book is Child Rights and Justice in Nepal. This book is a book of collection of various articles related to child rights, juvenile justice, and child psychology, and so on. There are 26 articles written by various law experts. So this book has not provided a separate concrete finding regarding juvenile system in Nepal in present day. Nevertheless, that is all the articles provide a different conclusion and finding related to the respective topic. These all are the reviewed thoroughly and it assisted to grasp the core idea of every subject matter. That is the idea. Then our next concern is Criminal Code and Criminal Procedural Code and Sentencing Determination and Execution Act 2067. This proposed Criminal Code, Criminal Procedural Code and Sentencing Determination Act 2067 are proposed codified law of Nepal. Honorable Judge of Supreme Court, Kalyan Shrestha with another member including Professor Dr. Ranjit Bhakta Pardaga submitted their reports to government named on Criminal Code, Criminal Procedural Code and Sentencing Act in 2067. It is one of the important codified laws relating to the criminal law. It has not been promulgated yet. It requires implementing with some modification according to the present day context. This code has been exempted children below the age 10. Beside above mentioned books and research articles, reviewed many other books, publication articles, journals, cities such as Juvenile Justice System in India, From Welfare to Rights by Ved Kumari. Researchers have viewed juvenile justice as a guide, practice and theory by Stephen M. Cox, etc. Similarly, I visited some website to find out the international mechanism and historical module in this link. That is the matter, you can log on there. That is all about the juvenile justice system and child rights in Nepal. So I have presented a fruitful note to all the B.A-LLB students and those who are B.A-LLB students too. It is helpful there. I hope the concerned students will get benefit from this video. Now I am at the end of this video. I hope you will enjoy this video a lot. Hope to meet you in our next video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe it. Thank you. Take care.